Hello everyone, today I am going to tell you how to create Snapchat account without phone number and email ID. If you want to create Snapchat account without phone number and email ID, so you just need a application so you can install it easily from Play Store app. Just open your Play Store app and then just go to search bar and search for Temp mail. Just search for it and you just need to install this application. As you can see, I have already installed it. So just tap to open and here the app will give you a temporary email. You just have to copy the mail and now open your Snapchat app and here you just have to tap on sign up and now you are going to create a new account of Snapchat app. Just enter your name, then enter your date of birth, then tap on continue. Here just you select your username. Here you just have to enter your password. As you can see, I have entered my password. Now tap on continue. After that, here you just have to enter your copied email. Just paste here. Now tap on continue. And now you can see I have successfully created a new Snapchat account without any email or phone number. So that's how you can create an Snapchat account without phone number or email ID. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.